You know, it's fascinating how we often lump all these celestial bodies together, thinking they're just rocks floating in space, but there's so much more to it. Let's start with asteroids. Picture them as the leftovers from the solar system's formation, remnants of the building blocks that never quite made it into a planet. They're mostly found in the asteroid belt between Mars and Jupiter, and they come in all shapes and sizes. Some are just a few meters across, while others can be hundreds of kilometers wide. They're rocky, metallic, and often irregularly shaped, like nature's own abstract sculptures. When we think of asteroids, we often think of potential threats, like the one that wiped out the dinosaurs. But they're also valuable. They contain metals and minerals that could be mined for resources. Imagine a future where we're extracting precious metals from asteroids. It's not just science fiction, it's a possibility. Now, let's shift our gaze to comets. Comets are like the wanderers of the solar system, originating from the outer reaches, from places like the Kuiper Belt or the Oort cloud. They're made mostly of ice, dust, and rocky material. When they approach the sun, they start to heat up, and that's when the magic happens. They develop those stunning tails that we see in pictures, glowing and shimmering as they're pushed away by solar winds. It's a beautiful sight, but it's also a reminder of their transient nature. Comets are like the cosmic messengers, bringing with them the building blocks of life, organic compounds that could have seeded the early Earth. They tell a story of our origins, of how life might have begun. And then we have meteors, which are a bit different. When we talk about meteors, we're usually referring to the streaks of light we see in the night sky, the result of meteoroids, tiny fragments of asteroids or comets, burning up in Earth's atmosphere. It's a fleeting moment of brilliance, a flash that lasts only seconds, but it captures our imagination. If a meteoroid survives its fiery descent and lands on Earth, it's called a meteorite. These little pieces of space can tell us so much about the universe, about the conditions that existed when they formed. So, asteroids, comets, and meteors, they're not just random space debris. They're part of a grand narrative, each with its own story to tell. They remind us of our place in the cosmos, of the vastness of space, and the interconnectedness of everything. It's a beautiful, chaotic dance of matter, history, and potential, and we're just beginning to understand it.